Hi guys! Good morning! So today is another day. Malamang kasi kung another night, so night yon. Anyway. Ano daw ulit? Anyway. So, ayan. Ang breakfast ko today, ang arte ko, diba? May oatmeal bowl. So, hindi kasi siya asay. So, oatmeal bowl. Ayan. So, today is Thursday and it's gym day for us again. Yan Samu. So, upper body ang aming i-workout. Or, ako lang ata. Hindi, siya rin. Oo, siya rin. Pero, hindi ko alam kung upper body siya or leg day siya. Yan. But, ayun. So, yesterday nga, kinuha na namin ang aking table over here. Art desk dito. But, ayun, nakaano pa siya, hindi pa siya assembled. So, we need to still assemble it. And I'm planning to assemble it today on my own. Hopefully, I can do it kapag may time pa ako, like, before ako mag-stream. Pero medyo late na. So, let's see actually. So, ayan. Samahan niyo ulit ako for today. Hi. Okay, with Rashi. As always, you know, this is like really my daily routine, guys. Kaya expect nyo na lagi itong nasa video ko. Yung pag-walk na din sa asong to. Sila naman yung mapadalhin. We're going to the gym. We're now inside the gym at nakalimutan ko madali ng tali. Pero carry belts.
There's everything inside.
And ayan, hindi ko nagawa yung table today. So, ayan. Yung asawa na lang natin ang mag-assemble niyan. Okay, so ito ang instructions on how to build this table. Ano pa sa kabila? Ayan. So, the hubs will take care of it. Dahil tinamad ako. Then, busy ako sa pag-edit ng video. Grabe kayo. Char. Record ba to? Yan. Unti-unti na siyang nagkakakulay. Char. It's done. Tada. So, ililipat natin yan sa room. Hi guys! So today, ayan, nasa gasolinahan tayo kasi nagpapa-gas si Samo ng car. Today is Saturday and yes, you know the drill. We're going on another road trip. And this time we are going to, Samo said, we're going to Uusikaupunki. So, ayun, it's a city here in Finland. So, yes, that's where we're going, and I forgot to ask Samo how long will our drive be going there. Pero may isa daw kaming stopover before we get there. So, yep, that's that. So, yes, samahan nyo ulit kami sa aming adventure for today. This is like cinnamon.
It's carrot cake.
Carrot cake?
Yep.
Okay. May cinnamon.
What?
Nothing. Ayan, we are done with our we just went to a cafe here. It's in ito ata yan, Cafe Aita. So yeah, we went there to grab some coffee and some sweets, and then we are now walking dito along this river. River, yeah. So, yep, we're exploring Uusikaupunki. So, Samu said that Uusi means old, new. What does Uusi means? New. And then Kaupunki is like town. So, this is a new town. So it's parang ang meaning nung name ng lugar na to is new town. So, ayun, ganun. So, ayan, it's a really small town, I think, or city. And it's nice. And sobrang quiet. Yun lang masasabi ko. Mas quiet siya kaysa sa tour ko. And si Raishi. Kung saan pinapaamoy ni Samu. Ayan. Ito yung mga restos ata. So, may mga boats, yachts, small yachts. Cool. Okay, so we've been walking for a few minutes na and I'm kind of tired, you know. Pero ayan, currently we're here dito sa church na to. Yeah. So, I'm trying to get in pero sarado yung dun sa harapan. We're checking the other side if we can, you know, enter. But yun, pagod na ako maglakad. Ang layo na ng lakad namin ni Samu. And ayan, malamig. Pero in fairness, kinakaya ko na yung lamig mo. Diba? Pinubuksan lahat ng pinto. Wala, it's closed. And I'm tired of walking. Oh. Oh. Aray, muntik pang maano. Muntik pang mabalian ng buto. Aray ko. Oh. Church. Amazing. Lamig na lamig ako. Kasi pag malapit talaga sa dagat, mas lumalamig kaysa yung lupa na nakapaligid.